Good. Another day and another cake. Bestron SmartSmoothie. Syrup, liquid and ice, and put it under and twist it, and then it's smart and makes you something to get you smart. Let's get started with the peaches. So the device itself is dirty. It works. Go back to the other side and nothing happens. So, and it shoots like 200 watts, and we saw it actually shooting about 200 under load. It spikes a little over 200. This is holding us back. Okay, brute force. As always. This is the overflow, this tiny hole in there, so if you mess up and everything gets wet, and it's actually a little pipe and it guides the water or the liquid around the motor so it doesn't mess up everything, and it will just wet the fence down here. This is for the fake key, and that is our real key. It actually does the switching later on. Brute force. Cut. And cut. Okay, power in here gets cleaned up a bit. Really tough. So patience is gone, and here we are. This is actually like glued or welded. So now we are in. Again, this stuff sits tight in the bottom, you saw it, and actually seals everything. Ta-da! Easy. So, and that's also the reason why I wasn't able to pull it apart, because this actually is like metal. Here we go. No bearing, just metal slipping. See, the brush is engaged on these contacts down here. There are the contacts. Spring-loaded, and there's still some carbon left. And this is also welded inside. They just put the plastic through and then they melted it. Yep, perfect. Thanks a lot for watching.